Okay, so for our last example, we have, and this is in your textbook, but we have a chest. And we know a couple things. We know that the volume of the chest is 72 feet cubed. Okay, we know that the length here is going to be 6 feet. This is going to be 4 feet. And we want to know what is the height of this. This is the last example. Well, now remember, and then, so this is like a in your textbook, it's just a chest that you would store things in. It's a pretty big chest, actually, when you think about it. So what do we know? Well, we know that this is a prism, right? It's a rectangular prism. So to find the volume of a prism, you need the area of the base, or area of the polygon, times the height of the polygon. So now, because it's a rectangle, I know that the rectangle is the length, the area of a rectangle is the length times the width times the height. Okay? So what's the length of this? Well, this would be like the length, and this would be the width. So the length would be 6 times 4 times the height. We were given the volume, which is 72 feet cubed. And, well, I'm going to take the dimensions out. We'll talk about that later. Times the height. So I've got 72 equals 24h. Well, they're asking me to solve and tell them what the height is. So that means I need to get the height by itself. The way that I move the 24 away from the h, I look and see what the 24 is doing. This is really 24 times h. To move the 24 away, I do the opposite of times, which is divide. And whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other. So that actually goes into that 3 times. So I get that the height of this thing is actually 3 feet. Okay? And that's it.